Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Ford Focus 1.0T EcoBoost MHEV Active X Edition. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with a manual transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Agate black. To start off with, then you have your fixed LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the Agate black exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to your boot space, you have a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the glacier line fabric and Salerno leather upholstery finished in black. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. You also have the Bang & Olufsen sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 41,291 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Along with DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Along with front and rear parking sensors, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. You also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats and a heated steering wheel for the driver. This is a presentation on a Ford Focus 1.0T EcoBoost MHEV Active X Edition that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.